So you're telling me a full gas tank with 20 miles if you drive like a bastard. You're at 20. Well, no, it's 68-mile range now.
Yeah, buddy.
Dude,
that's Corvette for you. You want to daily drive it? Nah.
ZO6.
It's not meant for daily. This car is not daily. It's not supposed to be a daily driver. Which way is the gas tank again? I forgot.
your side.
Oh.
I think.
I need it for sure, goddamn it.
Damn, that color.
Lord.
Don't worry, guys. It's a touchless, touch-free car wash. Something light, something simple. You know, we don't gotta go too crazy on this. All right.
The window's closed, right?
Yeah. Whoa! Just like that.
Alright, mashallah.
Feeling pretty confident about the.
This is good if the car's not too dirty, but you know.
Yeah, something light, nothing
Crazy.
We don't need no profesh, detailed job here.
Damn, bro, you see the land?
I just hate how it seeps into the engine.
Oh yeah, bro. That's
Rip.
bro, I hate that, to be honest. But the engine's gotta breathe, so it's like
Sure.
breathe, baby. It's gotta breathe. Imagine the ZO6.
Oh no.
Boy, I would fight every single one if I died.
We about to piss.
Why is it taking so
It's
long?
done.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
The dryer turns on, bro. Like, sorry, no water.
Bruh. No. There we go. There we go. That's what I like to see.
Damn, bro, engine bay.
Damn. 25 months.
Look how much they waste just by like throwing it right here.
Yeah.
Damn, it do be cleaning it.
How did it come out? I mean, it'll dry out with the wind.
Maybe by the
Yeah, it's not that bad.
could have done better, but
Not too bad. Not too bad.
not too shabby. I gotta stop yelling.
Cherry red?
Yeah.
Bruh, it pops more.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get down. Let's get down.
For these salvages. Start salvaging. on, baby. You can do better than that, baby.
It won't go over 3.
Oh shit, bro.
It won't go over
Make it
3.
to you.
What happened here? America, you're leading in the right direction.